When you search for the best charcoal grills, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch. First up is the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill in black. I mean, it's hard to ignore the classic design and premium build quality here. Priced at $219. If you want a reliable grill that can handle a crowd, this is worth a serious look. This grill boasts a cooking space that can hold up to 13 burgers, so you can easily feed family and friends. The durable plated steel cooking grate is tough enough for frequent grilling, which matters if you're like me and love having weekend BBQs. Plus, the one-touch cleaning system means ash cleanup is a breeze. Just remove the high-capacity ash catcher and you're good to go. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat exceptionally well, giving you that perfect sear without the worry of rust or peeling. The built-in thermometer helps you monitor cooking temperatures, so you don't end up with overcooked burgers. But I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned it's a bit heavy and not as portable. Now, for those who are mainly grilling in their backyard, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you need something lighter, this may not be your top choice. This grill is perfect for you if you want a traditional grilling experience with reliable performance. Skip this one if you need something more portable or compact. For the price, you're really getting great value here. Now, if the weight of the Weber Original bothered you, the next one on my list takes portability into account. Product number 2, Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch, copper. Next up, we have the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill in a stunning copper finish, priced at $249. If you want a grill that not only performs but also looks great in your backyard, this is worth considering. It's got the same great features as the black version, including the ability to hold up to 13 burgers and the durable cooking grate. The one-touch cleaning system is still here, making cleanup quick and easy. And just like the black version, it features a porcelain enameled lid that holds heat and prevents rust. Here's why this matters for you. That built-in thermometer takes the guesswork out of grilling. You'll always know when your food is ready, avoiding that awkward moment of overcooking. Plus, the aluminum damper gives you excellent control over airflow, which is key for achieving those perfect grill marks. However, some folks have pointed out that the copper finish can show fingerprints quite easily. If you're someone who likes a spotless grill at all times, this could frustrate you. But honestly, the performance outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional grill for gatherings. Skip this if you're not a fan of maintaining that polished look. The value is solid here, given the features and aesthetics. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill, 22-inch. Now, let's talk about the Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill in black, priced at an attractive $149. If you want a solid charcoal grill without breaking the bank, this is worth your attention. It still offers the same impressive 13 burger capacity and comes with a one-touch cleaning system, making ash disposal super easy. The durable cooking grate is designed for frequent use, so don't worry about it wearing down anytime soon. What's important for you is that the porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat well, which is crucial for ensuring your food cooks evenly. Plus, the rust-resistant aluminum damper makes controlling the temperature simple, so you'll get those delicious grill marks every time. However, some users mention the grill can be a bit wobbly if not placed on a flat surface. Here's the thing though, if you're grilling on a patio or deck, this shouldn't be an issue. This grill is perfect for you if you're looking for great performance at a reasonable price. Skip this if you need something more stable for uneven surfaces. You get a lot of value for your dollar here. Now, if you're looking for something lighter and more portable, the next grill might just be your best bet. Product number 4, Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill, 18-inch. Next is the Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill, an 18-inch portable option priced at $89.99. If you're a camper or tailgater, this one's designed just for you. With a cooking surface of 240 square inches it's perfect for grilling up to 8 burgers at once. The lightweight design makes it super easy to transport, which is essential for outdoor cooking. The porcelain enamel bowl and lid are built to withstand high heat, so you can rely on it for those summer evenings. Here's why this matters. The rust-resistant aluminum dampers and the easy clean ash catcher ensure you can focus more on enjoying your time instead of worrying about cleanup. Now, some people did mention it's a bit small for larger gatherings. But honestly, if you're looking for something compact for picnics or tailgates, this is actually a great option. This is perfect for you if you need a portable grill for outdoor adventures. Skip this if you often host large BBQs and need more cooking space. At this price, it's a steal for those who grill on the go. Finally, if you're looking for a compact grill that still packs a punch, the last one on my list might surprise you. Product number 5, Weber Jumbo Joe Premium Compact Charcoal Grill 22-inch. Last but not least, we have the Weber Jumbo Joe Premium Compact Charcoal Grill, priced at $98. If you want a compact grill that doesn't compromise on cooking capacity, keep listening. This grill offers 363 square inches of cooking space, so you can still cook up to 13 burgers while keeping your setup small. It also has the same durable cooking grate and porcelain enameled lid as the larger models, meaning you will get that fantastic heat retention. What's great for you here is the precision airflow control via its rust-resistant aluminum dampers, which really helps in achieving that perfect cook. Plus, the angled lid hook keeps things organized when you're grilling. However, some users found the assembly a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once set up, it offers great performance and is easy to use. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, yet powerful grill for smaller spaces. Skip this if you want a grill that's ready to use out of the box. The value here is fantastic for what you get. To wrap things up, each of these grills has its strengths. The Weber Original Kettle Premiums deliver durability and style. The Original Kettle keeps it affordable. The Jumbo Joe options provide portability, and the Jumbo Joe Premium balances size with performance. Whatever your grilling needs, there's something here for you. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for high capacity, portability, or just something affordable, each of these charcoal grills has something unique to offer. Happy grilling!